my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. At the end of the season, us, gardeners, end up with lots of tomatoes. I'm okay with that because I can make so many recipes, do canning, or dry them. A recipe that David and I really enjoy is Carne alla Pizzaiola. With a nice juicy tender steak, simmered in a rich, beautifully seasoned tomato sauce, this is a meal everyone will love. I like to serve it over spaghetti. So let's get cooking. Here we have 6 beautiful eye of round steaks, and after patting them dry, we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll place the meat, seasoned side down, and then season the top with salt and pepper. We'll quickly sear the meat for about 2 minutes before flipping them and doing the same for a couple minutes. We'll transfer them to a plate and set aside. In the same skillet, we'll add onions, which is totally not traditional, reduce the heat to medium, and saute them for 1.5 to 2 minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers and yellow peppers. Again, this is my elevated version of Carne alla Pizzaiola. We'll saute the vegetables for 3 minutes before adding pressed garlic, and lots of it. This time, we'll saute it for only 1 minute. We'll now pour in some red wine, where white wine is normally used, and then increase the heat to medium-high. We'll cook until the wine is almost evaporated. It should take just 2.5 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add tomate concasse and sprinkle on some raw sugar as well as Italian seasoning, about half a tablespoon. Most recipes use just oregano, but guess what? There's oregano in Italian seasoning, plus it will give more flavor. We'll reduce the heat back to medium and give another quick stir. I like to add some red pepper flakes to give just a little heat, but it's optional. And we'll also add the 2 usual suspects: ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. I suggest to go easy with these two because earlier we generously seasoned the meat. So add some, and later, if you think there's not enough, you can always add more. After mixing the ingredients, we'll add some beef broth and bring the mixture to a simmer. When it gets there, which shouldn't take that long, we'll return the meat to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. This is flavor we won't leave behind. Now, to continue with my non-traditional version of this Italian dish, we'll top the eye of round with some grated sharp cheddar cheese. Usually it's a couple slices of mozzarella. While putting on the cheese, I realized that I forgot to add the capers, so try not to be distracted and add them before the meat, and the same applies to the remaining half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. There are days like that. So we'll scoop up some of the mixture and put it on top of the cheese. We'll cover and cook until the meat warms up and the cheese is melted, about 5 minutes. When time is up, this is what it looks like. Yummy, and it smells amazing. It can be served as is, on mashed potatoes, or like I prefer, over spaghetti. And my friends, this is our Carne alla Pizzaiola. This is a delicious way to add some Italian flair to steak or veal. My version may be non-traditional, but the additional ingredients certainly add some serious flavor. Quick and easy to make, this is a great weeknight meal that I'm sure you'll love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!